welcome to this call. I'm very grateful and excited that you have chose to become a part of what we're doing. I'm really excited for you that you're here today to be a part of my first presentation in presenting a new service that we have in our community. I'll talk a bit about the overall community and what we offer, and I'll emphasize this new product a bit. We're very excited about it, those of us who already have it, those of us who have been through a training using it. I know Kamala Duncan in particular, she's going to tear this new product up. And you know, we're all fired up, ladies and gentlemen, about it because it's truly an amazing product that you are going to have the privilege and opportunity to use if you choose to take advantage of it. Just to buttress a bit of what Ms. Buckner shared about me. You know, I started off my career. Yes, I started off as a medical doctor. And while I was doing that, I quickly realized that, you know, doctors do not earn the type of money that I wanted to earn for my family. So what I did was I chose to distribute automobiles over in Jamaica. My wife and I did very well. We earned millions of dollars and allowed us to move from Jamaica to the United States of America, where we lived for 12 years before moving over to Nigeria, where we lived for 8 years, and now we're back in the United States. I'm very thankful for all the various loops and turns, the hills, the valleys of our life experiences. It's taught us a lot, and it's put us in a situation to be able to better evaluate great opportunities. And what I would say after all of these years of being through all of these loops and turns is that individuals that rely on what is called your own effort, somebody could type those letters in the chat for me, an acronym, YOE, your own efforts. Individuals that rely on your own efforts belong to about 97% of the world's population. Some people say 95 to about 97 of the world's population uses an acronym called YOE to earn money, your own efforts. That group of people on the planet live in what's called the poor and the middle class at best. So people who rely on your own efforts, medical doctors, engineers, lawyers, mechanics, bus drivers, anybody who uses their two hands and their person to earn money, they rely on your own efforts. Now, there's another group of people that occupy 3 to 5% of the world's population. They use 4 principles: OPT, OPI, OPM, and OPE. Other people's time, other people's ideas, other people's money, other people's energy. Somebody type in the chat for me those 4 acronyms. The wealthiest people in the world use leverage. At one time I was doing a presentation like this, and there were 2 young men on the presentation in Jamaica, actually. And the 2 young men worked with companies that had over 500 staff members working there, 2 separate companies. And I asked them, have you ever seen the owner for those companies? Have you ever physically met the owner? So they know of the owner, but they never met the owner. Ladies and gentlemen, where do you believe the owners for those corporations are while the 500 people are busy at work, working hard, Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday? Type in the chat for me, where do you believe the owners for those corporations are while the employees are very busy at work, working really hard, Monday to Friday to get a paycheck? Put in the answer in the chat for me. Where are they? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for some answers. Where do you believe the 2 owners for those corporations are while the employees, the 500 plus employees in both of those companies, are busy at work Monday through Saturday, Monday through Friday, in some cases, Monday to Sunday? I'm waiting for an answer. Somebody put in the chat, where do you believe those individuals are while those owners, where do you think the owners are while the employees are very busy working really hard? Right? I'm looking for even one answer from somebody. Where do you think the owners are? Because they've never seen the owners and they worked at the company. So where do you think the owners are while the employees are busy working? All right. And I hope somebody's going to put the answer in the chat for me. All right. Right. On the golf courses of the world, right? On cruise ships, on their private yachts, and having a great time while employees are busy at work. So the reason they could do that is because they're using other people's time, other people's ideas, other people's energy, and oftentimes borrowing money from other people's money through banks. So you, ladies and gentlemen, you and I have the opportunity today to live that type of lifestyle if you choose, because I'm going to expose you, ladies and gentlemen, to a phenomenal opportunity today. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. If you're using a phone, please turn it sideways because my screen is going to shift in a horizontal manner right now. So ladies and gentlemen, we are the School of Money. And we're going to expose you to a very special technology that we just recently released inside of our community that has everybody really excited. So the School of Money is our community. And what we do is that we show people how to use their phones and their laptops and earn way more money on the financial markets than you could ever possibly work for. That's what we do. We literally show you step by step how to do that. Our disclaimer, even though we have people who have earned nothing using our information, we have people who have earned over $1 million. The reason why the range is so wide, where people have earned nothing with the information that they listen to, and people listen to the same information you're going to learn today and have earned over $1 million, is because the people who took advantage of it applied themselves well. The people who earn money from the information apply themselves well. We have people who have earned just a few $100s to people who have earned over $1 million. So it's dependent on you and how well you apply yourself with the information that you're going to receive. All right, let's talk about our founders. On the left of your screen is a gentleman that I respect, I admire, and I have a very high level of respect for Mr. Adrian Sloan. This gentleman, not just the CFO and the marketing, responsible for marketing in our community, but this gentleman truly has a heart of service. He believes truly that his first role is to serve, and he lives it. He doesn't say it. He's been mentoring children ages 8 to 18 for the last decade. That on its own deserves a lot of accolades because this young man is not even 40 years yet. I really, truly admire his footsteps. He's already created 9 different businesses. He earned his first $1 million in his early 20s. He's gone on to do some extremely wonderful things. And he's really at the beginning of creating a legacy empire. And I'm grateful and thankful that I'm a part of the community that he's the CFO of. Another great gentleman, Mr. Jacob Mickle. This gentleman also lives a life of service. It's no coincidence that they're partners together. He's our VP of sales. He's currently on a cruise. He's been on a cruise for the last 6 days. He's taking 5 cruises this year. 5. Who do you know has the time and the money to take 5 cruises? He's on the screen. He's built a massive real estate portfolio of over $40 million. And interestingly, 27 years ago was the first year he left banking. He worked in Bank of America to go into network marketing. Hint, hint, he left Bank of America, went into network marketing, and today this gentleman is going on 5 cruises this year. He's already been on 2. So this is an exciting time. In the center of his screen is Reagan Lynch. She's a phenomenal businesswoman, owns multiple businesses. She handles our technology side. A single mom of 4, amazing that she's raised her 4 children on her own. Plus, she's overcome 3 open heart surgeries. There are very few people that demonstrate that level of strength that Ms. Reagan Lynch has demonstrated. So we're very grateful for that. On the screen is who we are. Founded in 2021, we have our Forex Academy, comprehensive at your own pace, and we're led by a passionate educator. Our financial solutions, ladies and gentlemen, are simple and aggressive, and we have amazing compensation plan that I'll talk to you about shortly. So our mission at Xtreamfx Academy, our foundation is love. Our design is a common unity for people from all walks of life to have an environment that fosters individual and collective growth as we support each other. Our current and future products are all aligned with this vision. So our primary goal is to impact millions of lives across the globe through supporting our common unity members to achieve their dreams and goals, courtesy of our founders. We focus on 4 Ps here. So you and I are people. We have products that are digital, processes that are simple, and profits that you could earn that are very aggressive. I already mentioned how much people have been earning through using this platform. We're not worried about, we're not listing the financial crisis to scare you, right? We are just reminding you, ladies and gentlemen, that we in Xtream, we are not worried about the unemployment happening around the world, the runaway debt, the banking crisis. We're not worried. And this is why. It's because we are positioned for the next economy. Foreign exchange market, financial literacy, education, and entrepreneurship. Right here. This is where a lot of us have learned the skill of trading. We have went through what the company offers, whether it's the Forex education, US 30 Academy, financial solutions, real estate education, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. Let's talk about the blockchain, crypto, metaverse, and NFTs. Here's the deal. We have a great educator that shows us step by step how to make money from the cryptocurrency space, NFTs, the metaverse, using the blockchain. A lot of us do not yet understand the power of the blockchain, and you and I have an opportunity to use this, all right? So let's talk about the foreign exchange market. It's the largest, most liquid asset market on the planet, right? My tongue got caught somewhere in my mouth. All right, so it's almost $7 trillion per day, no special requirements. All you're going to need, and we mean it, I mean it, a phone, a laptop, and an internet connection, trade 5.5 days a week and make money in both directions, whether you're buying or selling an asset. I'm going to show you what that means here today. So get educated, download an app, choose a broker, practice in a demo, fund a live account, and then learn and earn. Now, this is the process of learning. Now, there are many of us who went through this process. We went through the walkthroughs, we got a solid foundation, we went to live classes with the educators, they trained us on how to trade. The live classes go on every week. They're recorded, so if you miss them, you could watch the recording at your own time and learn and earn. Once you've gotten your lessons, you can earn. Now, some of us like myself and Kamala and Mark and Bridget, we have been going through the education program. We have been learning how to trade, ladies and gentlemen, and we're so thankful that today a new development took place in our community that we want to share with you. You see, ladies and gentlemen, this new development has helped a lot of people to skip past what we had to go through. I'm not regretting learning trading because I can trade on my own today, and I'm very grateful for that. But some of us may not have the time to learn how to trade. Some of us may not have the time to go into understanding deeply what is a candlestick, what is a wick, you know, how to mark up a chart. Some of us may not be able to understand, take the time to understand all of that. I think it is worth it, but guess what? Something has come to your aid. If you're someone who wants to get to the money quickly without having to go through understanding all of these things, then put a number 1 in the chat. If you want to shortcut the learning curve, if you want to say, you know what, Harry, learning how to trade sounds great, you know, going to classes every week sounds great, but man, I want to earn some money. I want to go ahead and I want to put some money in my bank account really quickly. If that's you, put a number 1 in the chat. All right. Let me see you put a 1 in the chat. If that's you want to get to the money really fast, in a quick, in what we call quick and in a hurry, right? Put a number 1 in the chat if that's you. So here is the new technology that I'm telling you about. Ladies and gentlemen, for a very small sum of $599, right? You literally, for the small sum of $599. You see a lot of ones flooding the chat, right? For 1 year as a license to use what I'm going to show you. Once you have the license, you're going to download an app on your laptop or your phone. The app I'm showing you is called MetaTrader 4. Don't worry about it. The first time I saw this screen, I got a headache. Very first time I saw the screen almost 3 years ago, I got a headache. So don't worry about it. But you're not going to have to go through a long learning curve. Let me show you how simple this really is. A lot of this on the screen looks all fancy and all of that, and it has more use to it than what I'm about to show you. But this is Saturday, right? Saturday, the regular market is not open. But guess what's open today? What's open today is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being traded right now. Some people have made some money trading Bitcoin today. So this technology that I'm going to show you, what it does, it helps us to identify the trade. So instead of you having to go through, mark up the charts and identify when you should buy, when you should sell, this technology is going to literally show you when you're supposed to do that. I'm on what's called a 1 hour chart. And ladies and gentlemen, earlier today on this chart, on this Bitcoin, once these 3 levels here, this one here, this is going to be set up for you in your MetaTrader 4 on your laptop. But once this bottom level is green, 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 and then this little red pops up, you could see a little red here to the right of the screen, right? And then these 2 lines are green. Then right away, you can go ahead and put in what's called a sell, right? You could put in what's called a sell order, right? Even if you don't understand it, right? Now, for those who understand trading, you would have been able to get this trade sent to your phone. It's going to come to your phone as an email, and you'd have been told sell opportunity exists in the market today. You'd have seen that, right? So you'd have seen green, green, green. If you're not, you don't have to watch it, but you're going to be sent an email that will tell you that the market has a trade that has come up. Once you come and check it for yourself, you could come and see green, 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 red, green, green, or it could be red, 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 green, red, red. You know you have a sell opportunity. But this right now, ladies and gentlemen, is a buy opportunity that popped up. And you would have seen right after, let me just push it back a little bit, right? Right, it came up, and look what happened right after. The market shot up. For those who understand that, green, right? You'd have been able to make some money. And then right afterwards, there's some other opportunities starting to come up on the sell side. So this is not a hype thing. This is a powerful technology that would have given you this if you are a member. You'd have gotten that message. It would have shown you green, 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 red, green, green. Right at this point, you could have taken an order, and look what happened. The market went green and went up. Now, this is what the technology does. It predicts the market for us. We do not have to now sit down and analyze and figure out what's going to happen and how it should go. This is powerful. In addition to this, ladies and gentlemen, we also have available to us what's called a scanner. This on your screen with all these complicated numbers. Stop sharing this again to see it. All right, this on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, is powerful. This is what's called a scanner. Now, the scanner is powerful in that it scans different assets. It's going to scan for your indices, forex pairs, the crypto market, and stocks. 4 different large areas of financial assets. Ladies and gentlemen, on Friday, I got just in the indices alone. All right, if you don't understand what an index is, don't worry about it. I didn't understand all this stuff either. At one point, you may have heard about stuff like on the left of your screen, NAS 100, S&P 500, US 30, US oil. You must have heard of oil. Gold, you may not know what XAU means, but it means gold. We got, in my phone alone, I'm talking about everybody else, I got about 50-something messages and trades on these indices in less than 12 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, most people would not be able to take all of those. This technology spits out trades like a machine. So this is a major, somebody type in the chat from game changer. This is a major game changer. This is not a hype thing. It's just indices. That's not including forex pairs. That's not including crypto. That's not including stocks. This thing gives you so many trades that you will never be able to take so many of them. So I'm fired up and I'm very excited about this product. You pay only $599 for it, right? Once a year license. Now, once you've gotten that done, we're going to get you set up with you're going to set up something called a MetaTrader 4. Let me show you that. You're going to set this up on your laptop. We're going to give you the indicators. You'll get step-by-step guidance on how to set them up. And then you can come in here and trade all of these different assets, right? You'll be able to just simply come here, click this, and go ahead and go to where am I? Okay, click in here. No, can I place an order? I'm just trying to see if I could place an order today. Saturday. I'm trying to place an order. But anyway, when you click this quickly, and then you go ahead and you place your order in the market, all right, and then you'll be able to put your put it in, all right? You'll be able to put it in. Okay, let me try it down here. New order, yeah. All right, you'd come here and put. I'm not going to click it because it's my live account, but you could click sell or buy depending on what the computer tells you to do, and it's that simple, right? It is simply. You'll be told, you'll be sent a message, you know what to do. We're going to train you what to do, how to put it in. You come click, you put your order in, all right? You put your order in and you click new order, you click buy or sell. It's that quick and that simple, all right? And you put in your parameters, you tell you how, whatever to go for, many pips and all of that good stuff. You're going to be told step by step how to use the system. So you don't have to worry about how complicated it looks. You have to just be willing to say, you know what? I want to be shown how to use a system that gives me so many trades in a day that will allow for me to be able to use it and earn money. That's just the bottom line. If you're willing to be shown what to do, put a number 2 in the chat. If you're willing for somebody to hold your hand and help you to go ahead and make some money trading, put a number 2 in the chat, right?
So Dr. B, Dr. B, you're saying just follow the instructions and take a trade. That's it.
That's it. That's it. Follow the instructions and take the trade. Right? Follow the instructions and take the trade. It's not going to be a complicated thing, ladies and gentlemen. This is really powerful, simple stuff that we have now been given the opportunity to use. A lot of the complicated things have gone away out of our here. And if you do not want to go through the detailed education, I'm very grateful I've done that because it's made me better at using the system. So I would still recommend that you come in and do the walkthroughs, get the foundation, do the live education, and learn. It's going to help you to be able to more effectively use the technology with more confidence. But there are people, like there's a gentleman, I'll give you a couple of examples. He came in and the first month he just basically watched a video over and over to learn how to use the technology. And the second month he practiced for a month in a practice account. And the third month he took a $2,500 account to $30,000 US. His third month using the technology. There's another gentleman that used the technology to grow 100,000 to 1.4 million. There are people in our community that have used it to earn $5,000 to $100,000 already before it was pushed out to the wider community for us to use it. So ladies and gentlemen, understand this. We have multiple levels of game changers. We were already doing extremely well in our academy before just simply using our walkthroughs, the foundations, live education, learn and earn. We have students that are around over $1 million documented. Now we have a technology, ladies and gentlemen, that in less than 9 months, somebody has earned $1 million already. And we have several other people doing well. So what do you think is going to happen over the next couple of years? So put some fires in the chat if you believe that we're going to have an explosion in growth and success in our community with all of these wonderful things that we have already going on. So I'm fired up, and I hope you are with what's going on. I'm talking about you, Joan Sampson. You're fired up. You brought in a whole group of over 20 people from Kenya on the call that we did just before now. Lisa, you're on fire too, introducing people over in Jamaica and all across the US and all over. So what is FinTech? This is financial technology at its best, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I'm fired up. Mark, make sure you screenshot the attendance list here so I can share that. Put it in the chat group. 29 people on a Saturday afternoon. We had about 28 people on the call before. So understand this. Things are getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter inside of Xtream. So what is FinTech? This is another division of our community. Man, Kamala, you're on fire like me over here in Houston. This thing is hot. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so thankful. All right, what is FinTech? All right, FinTech, ladies and gentlemen, is another division of Xtream. You know, it's like, man, these guys are really about the school of money. So here's the thing, right? You could use these services, whether that's building your business credit, your personal credit, you know, access funding, using our credit finance, and then a real estate investor education, bronze, silver, gold, and a funding app. You can earn anywhere from $85 to $1,000, not telling you, right? I won't dive into FinTech too much today. Let me brush over it. Now we have the affiliate, student affiliate, and sales team. So how could you join us? You could be an affiliate alone, be a student alone. You could use the technology alone. Yesterday, a gentleman asked me, you know what, do I have to advertise Xtream to use the technology? I said, no. He said, fine. He went ahead and he paid for it, all right? And he's now, because he was already a trader, he's been doing well, but he really understands how powerful the technology is. After he looked at it, he said, no, I can't be left out of this. And he paid for it right on the spot. He paid $660. He paid for the $59.99. I'm going to tell you about that. And he paid the $5.99 right away. And he's already going through the setup process. So you could be a student alone. Use either the education or our technology, anything you want to use. Then you could be a student affiliate. What is a student affiliate? That's where you're a student and an affiliate like me. And you could be building a sales team like Miss Bridget Buckner, Mark, Lisa, Joan, you know, Kamala. A lot of us are building teams. Plus, we're earning money from trading. We're earning money from, some of us have a lot of businesses, some of us have jobs. So we're earning money in different ways. So here is an amazing education program for only $89, $89 if you have a student ID, $99 if you do not have a student ID, and $159 if you want to get extra education. Now, these educational packages have already produced several people who have been able to do well. The Forex Academy is there, the live education with traders, the Forex ideas. You could go to watch the live education over and over again because they're recorded. And then you can also take advantage of our website. We also have our core academy for mindset and a lot of different things in our community that can benefit. We also have the US Search Academy. This is for people who want a higher level of education with secrets and strategies about how to trade the biggest asset in the US when it comes to the financial markets in the United States. But this is an asset that people all over the world are trading and making money from because of the diverse nature and the ubiquitous nature of trading on the MT4 platform, right? So people all over the world are taking advantage of the top 30 stocks in the US. So let's talk about free education. Do you want to get your education for free? Type free in the chat. If you want to get your education for free, you do not want to pay one dege cent. In Jamaica, we say dege. I don't know if you use that word in Trinidad or in the US or in Africa where you guys are this evening, but one dege cent. I know some of my friends from Nigeria are on here, right? So without paying 1 cent to your pocket, you can get it free, Andrea. How do you get it free? Take advantage of our referral program. The referral program, ladies and gentlemen, is where I and my wife and our children, we got free education. 5 of us are getting free education right now from Xtream. Why? Because we paid the first payment and we have never gone back to our cards to make any further payments to Xtream. We have bought the trading technology for $5.99, right? My family, we bought it. And we paid for it from our commissions that Xtream pays us. So we didn't even have to go to our own money to pay for it. We use our commissions to pay for that system. So ladies and gentlemen, if you choose to be an affiliate, every single thing that you use in Xtream going forward will be paid for by the company, not by you, if you do it right. So how do you take advantage of this? But like what Mark has done, Lisa, Bridget, many of us, what we do is that we get registered with either $168 or $399. If you do that, Every month we pay 99 or 149 a month. But guess what? We pay that out of our commissions. We do not pay that out of our own pocket. How do you do that? Plus we get the education, plus we went to class, plus we learned how to trade. Now we have this new system giving us trades like crazy that we're going to be making so much money from that. So many other people have made money from already. And now you are in train to come and join us and make money from that as well. All right, so let's talk about the 5-star bonuses, right? This is so powerful, right? Somebody answer that lady in the chat. So what is the difference between your business and others that offer the same? All right. So we'll have a call about that because we don't focus on what other people are doing. We've just made ourselves unique. We're the first ones in the world to combine foreign exchange and financial technology. We're the first ones in the world to release the safety trading system. Nobody else in the world has that technology. It's a one of a kind. There's nothing else like it. You could go and search down the world if you want. It's the first of its kind. It was designed by a gentleman that designed it for his sister who has epilepsy. She did not have a way to earn money, so he designed the system. He's a great trader. He designed a system so she could have an income. Later on, started allowing other people to use it, and it's been growing like wildfire because it has a 99% success rate on the trade ideas that are called. No one else in the world has that. Xtreamfx Global Academy has the rights to market it to the world. Nobody else can give you access to that, right? Apart from the developer, and you have to pay more money to get it through him. But we have an exclusive partnership that gives us the privilege to share with you at a lower cost. So, ladies and gentlemen, understand this. I haven't spoken about other things like we have the health and wellness side to our company. So, you know, we have so much that separates us. And we do not focus on trying to compete with other companies. What we've done is just set ourselves to focus on what we want to do, which is to help people to achieve a legacy life by ensuring that we have an environment that can allow us to achieve a legacy lifestyle. We can build up a great income for ourselves or pass on great things to the generations on board. So thank you for your question. Now, here's the thing about the affiliate bonuses. You could earn $25 to $150 depending on the package you sell. If you join at the $168 level and you sell somebody the $399 affiliate package, you will not get the $150. But if you're joining at the $399 level, all of these bonuses on the screen, you can earn as many of them as your heart desires. You can earn $25, $150, $85 to $1,000. Some people like Mark, he's enrolled over 40 persons already. Lisa over 10, Bridget over how many she's enrolled. You know, I've done over 100. Just imagine that you enrolled Harry, that's me, and you got all of these bonuses coming to you, right? $5 to $100, generational bonus. You did not enroll the 102 people I enrolled. All right, so let me slow down so you understand what I mean. You introduced me, right? And I got the pro package. So you got $150 for that. And then I went ahead and I sold 102 different packages to people. You're going to receive $5 to $100 for each of those 102 people, even though you don't know them. One of those persons is Mark. Mark has introduced 40 persons, approximately, that you would have earned $5 to $100. You don't know Mark. You don't know the 40 people he introduced. One of them is Lisa. Lisa has introduced 10, over 10 so far. You'd have earned $5 to $100. You don't know who those people are based on the affiliate packages and different services that they sell. So understand the power of this system, not to mention the 3 by infinity matrix. So there's a lot of money here, not just the trading system. A lot of money is here, not just our financial services, a lot of money. So this is you at the top, but here's what happens. The person that invited you to be on our call today, they have 3 top positions open. Sometimes 1 or 2 or all 3 are gone already. But what happens is this: every time they're going to place a new person into the system, we have to place them below somebody who's already in the system. So if you join us today, like some of the people from the call with a lot of people from Kenya that were on today, a lot of those people, ladies and gentlemen, are now in the system. They have already gone and registered because we have a promo going on, which I'll show you right now. They got registered already. So if you delay further in not getting registered today, somebody's just going to take the position that you could have had. And then that means that you're becoming in below them instead of them becoming in below you. We're on a push right now to put thousands of people in this month called April. We're on Momentum 300. We're working really hard to achieve that. And I absolutely believe we're going to be able to achieve that. What are the next steps to your success? Become a tradesman or woman. That is simply doing what most of us have done. Some of us did it in a day. Some of us did it in 3 days. What did we do? Enroll 3 affiliates. Very simple. Invite people to the presentation. We have 2 presentations tomorrow. One on this link at 3 p.m. Another one 7 p.m. with Miss Bridget Button out of Jamaica. And then all week, we're going to be having multiple presentations. We're going to be having presentations in the day, in the afternoon, and in the night to facilitate the growth and success of people. We want to help you to succeed. So you become an apprentice. How do you do that? You enroll your first 3, they enroll others. You have a total of 10. Now you have 10 people in your business. You're earning $500 a month. If you go ahead and you grow it to 25, now you have $1,000 a month coming in. And then you could build it larger, where you can earn anywhere from $500 to all the way to $1 million a month in the program. And then you could get paid using your Pay Quicker. You could withdraw your funds using your Visa branded card with Xtream. All you'll be able to do is just simply order, and Mark has done, Lisa's done, many of us. And ladies and gentlemen, we're not playing around with this. I'm telling you, this is so wonderful. Thank you, God, for the blessing of Xtreamfx World Academy in our lives. All right. Okay, so, and do I need to be at a certain level before I can begin and start? No, you could start earning generational bonuses from day one. Just depends on your package. If you're a basic package, you only earn basic generational bonuses. If you're a pro package, you'll earn the generational bonuses for everything in the company. All right, everything that people in your group down to 3 levels sell. All right, so the Xtreamfx promo. Somebody put fire in the chat. Somebody put some fire signs in the chat. $59.99. Come on. Lisa paid $168. So many of us paid $168. Alan, many of us. And you know, Victor Riley over there in Jamaica paid $168 to get registered. And you can pay $59.99 for the same package. The same package. In Jamaica, we said D, not D. D, all right? And in Nigeria, we said D. D. All right? All right? You know, Nigerian and Jamaican language have some similarities, like the Patwa and the pidgin over there, right? So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. For only $59.99, you could be in getting a $108 discount. Come on. What a blessing, all right? That's your gift from us to you. We don't know you yet, but we're still giving you a gift anyway. Come and join us for this paltry sum. But here's the deal. If you do this and you invite people to come to our presentations tomorrow, or you could even have people watch our video presentations today, what happens is that by tomorrow, you could be qualified in our system to be receiving $500 a month if you get the right, you know, packages sold. A lot of people are going to start with $59.99 in this month of April, and by the month of May comes around, they're earning $500 a month in commissions, and they only pay $59.99 to join. Then you could use that $500, ladies and gentlemen, and top it up a bit and buy the safety trade system if you cannot afford to pay the $5.99 out of your pocket right now. So you could introduce people to our community, earn your bonuses, use that, buy the safety trade system, and then move on, ladies and gentlemen, and start earning your money from trading. And then learn how to trade as well alongside that, and then start to really master trading. This is an amazing opportunity. You're wondering what is that on the screen? Yes, it's a party. We're having a party on July 1. It's a yacht party happening in Fort Lauderdale. I can't wait to be there. It's going to be one of the most amazing events ever. All right, it happens in July. The 1st of July, you can still get tickets at Xtreamfxevents.com. Do not miss it. It's going to be a party to remember. Myself and our daughter, she's 15, both of us are going to be there. We're going to rock the party together with everybody that's going to be there. I'm inviting a lot of people to come. Make sure you don't miss out on it. All right, so thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Xtreamfx World Academy is rocking. We're on fire over here. Get back with the person who invited you to be on this call. It's an amazing time, an amazing season for us. We're very thankful, ladies and gentlemen, for what we're doing in Xtream. Very thankful. You have an opportunity to come and join us. All right, be a part of this movement. You know, don't get left out. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Tomorrow, same time, same place, we're going to be here on this link at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can come and listen again. And I'm so excited, man. Let me show you one more time, right? This is a game changer. Look at that. That's beautiful. If you know anything about trading, you know you've never seen anything like this before. And ladies and gentlemen, we are so fired up and excited. Let me go ahead and show you the scanner. Right, you could take a screenshot of it, ladies and gentlemen. You know, man, this is so amazing, right? Look at symbols, over 100 symbols that this system calls Monday to Sunday, because you could trade cryptos on the weekends. And ladies and gentlemen, Sunday evening to Friday, it's calling out trade after trade after trade that is sent to your phone. You just simply put those trades in under the right guidance, follow the system of how you're taught to do it, and make your money. Convert your laptop to an ATM machine. All right. I love you all. Until our next call, ladies and gentlemen. Bye for now. Appreciate you, Ms. Butner, for hosting this call. Thank you for being my friend and business partner. I'm so grateful and thankful we're in business together. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go make some money. All right, let's change our family lives and generations yet born. Let's go and make it a great one, right? All right, so, and so Candice, we can get connected with Candice and help you along the way, Candice. We're here to serve you and help you to succeed. We want you to do well, and you'll get connected with somebody who will be able to answer all your questions and help you to understand what it is that you need to do. All right, we're willing to answer all your questions. So when we jump off of this call, Candice, somebody will get connected with you and help you to answer all your questions. All right, we want you to do well, and we're looking forward to helping you and supporting you. All right, we're going to show you step by step how to do everything, and it's available in different countries all over the world. The system can be used from any country in the world. All right, you're going to get trained by different levels of training. The developer does part of the training with you, and you also will be able to get support. We'll jump on Zoom with you, even if we're not in your physical area, to support you, right? And you can refer people from anywhere in the world, as you have asked. So anywhere in the world you want to refer people will get you connected to us so that they can learn and take advantage of what we have, right? So man, I'm fired up, I'm excited. I hope you are as well. Thank you everyone for participating in this call today. Let's grow this thing like there's no tomorrow. Xtream is on fire, I'm on fire. This is great time, great season. All right, love you all, and then bye. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.